Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'll be sending out the weekly watch list and going over what I am watching for this week. Keep in mind that I am 1 day late. I was just too busy yesterday, so I'll be making the video right now. Now, very simple strategy for this week. We have already entered in the main positions, which is Apple, QQQ, and eBay. So for this week, I'll be focusing on tech, and tech looks very bullish. This is QQQ, so the Nasdaq, and as you guys can see, we have a very nice inverse head and shoulder. So this is the head, the left shoulder, and the right shoulder, and it is about to break out. And I think we are going to be breaking all-time highs anytime this week, and I think we are going to be gapping up tomorrow. Okay, I think definitely we can hit all-time highs tomorrow. That's a 1.84% move for QQQ. And then we have Apple with such an amazing setup on the monthly chart, and very nice play on the monthly ascending triangle breakout. Our price target is around 132, and we have a whole month of time on our contract. So this is a very nice setup. 125 is a major support for Apple, so I'm not at all worried about Apple. We just had the event, and I think this is kind of the accumulation phase where hedge funds and people are going to be loading up shares in preparation for the Apple event, the new iPhone, and the summer bull run. And then we have eBay. And eBay, okay, we're still down on our swing. So we entered in eBay. Very nice play, ascending triangle breakout on the weekly. This is a very strong resistance, so I'm very confident on this play. If you guys don't remember, last week we had MRNA, weekly ascending triangle, a killer play, so around 108%, 200%. I paper handed mine, and it moved 10% today. Just today, it moved up 10%. Crazy. This stock has been going up crazy ever since the breakouts of the ascending triangle, and I'm expecting a similar move to eBay. But if we hit 50% tomorrow, I'll be selling it, putting it in the trade log, and done for the week. So very simple, mostly bullish on tech. Tesla also very interesting. We have this descending triangle, we have this major breakout, also have ARC innovation. We have this downtrend breakout and this gap fill, so I'm looking to play this gap on ARC innovation ETF. Very nice play. We are finally reversing on for tech. And then I'm looking to short banks. So as you guys know, last 2 weeks ago, we played the ascending triangle on GS, or actually I didn't alert it. It was just a chart because I actually took the day off. But I'm looking to short banks, so I'm looking to short Goldman Sachs at the gap entry to retest the ascending triangle. And very cheap contract, so definitely looking for a possible play on the small account weeklies, and very interesting play. Airlines, I think we're going to be trading flat, possibly flat for airlines, or just consolidating, because the weekly setup is very nice. This will be a play for later in the future. Just keep in mind that the best entry is right at the gap entry. Okay, so just be patient. We are going to be entering in right at 26.16 on our small account challenge, and this is a very nice play. We have airlines setting up. We have Boeing, United Airlines, and all of them are looking very nice. So let's go over here. As you guys know, I started up on the small account challenge. I am still red as of now because of the XOM and AAL play. Tomorrow I think we should be up around 10%. I'll be closing the positions of QQQ and holding Apple. So overall nice trades on QQQ. I'm still swinging QQQ. eBay, SPY, and Apple. So very simple trades. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We played SPY off the inverse head and shoulder, and keep in mind that SPY is at major resistance. So right over here, this is a major resistance. I definitely think we might gap down tomorrow. So let's look at the daily. So as you guys can see, major resistance kind of looks like a cup and handle type formation. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. We're about to hit 1,000 subscribers, and make sure to subscribe.